Let's be real. Midjourney is an excellent tool, but paying for it every month is kind of the worst. Like, I still share a Netflix with my parents, but I'm supposed to pay for Midjourney? So you can either fork over the cash, or you can check out these 9 free AI art tools we found. If you're smart, or cheap like me, keep watching. Our first AI art tool is GetIMG. Plot twist, GetIMG differs from the majority of image generators by providing a variety of AI technologies. Based on your input, this program creates high-quality photos using machine learning techniques. To create fresh, original photos depending on your tastes, it analyzes a vast library of photographs. Users can create bespoke AI models, edit photos, enlarge photos beyond their original boundaries, or create unique images at scale. With the sophisticated editor, you can add missing elements to any photo and produce stunningly huge works of art on canvases of any size. Any image may easily have minor aspects or entire aesthetic characteristics changed. GetIMG creates a picture that correlates to a term or phrase when it is supplied. For painters, designers, and other creatives who need to produce original graphics for their work, this can be a very helpful tool. At number 2, we've got DALL-E 2 by OpenAI. This tool is an AI picture generator that lets you create any type of digital art as well as realistic photographs. DALL-E 2 is a model for AI photo creation. You can use it to design goods, make graphics, and even come up with new company concepts. Anyone can use it to produce expert designs and images. DALL-E 2 doesn't require any technical expertise or prior creative training to utilize, because the website has excellent usability and quickly produces results. Simply enter the prompt you choose, providing as much information as is required to make your idea come to life, and DALL-E 2 will produce 4 pictures from your prompt. Since we're talking about AI art tools, we have to mention the photo editor turned AI art tool, Photor. As a recent upgrade to the extremely flexible online photo editor, Photor added a free AI picture generator. To make different fashionable AI-generated photos, Photor enables text-to-image with an AI image generator. It can be used to produce any kind of digital art you can imagine, including realistic face pictures, 3D and anime figures, paintings, and backdrops. The easiest way for beginners to use Photor's AI text-to-art generator is to just enter their prompts and choose the effects they like to create the image. If you're not happy with the shot, you can run the generating process again and again to obtain the best possible outcome. Number 4 is a super popular brand in the world of AI art generators, Night Cafe AI. It's renowned for having more features and algorithms than other generators, but it is also simple for novices to use because of its user-friendly interface and broad selection of algorithms and choices. It's ideal for both inexperienced users who are just beginning to explore the realm of artificial intelligence art and seasoned artists who want to try something new. The Night Cafe AI system is built on credits, but there are many ways to earn credits, including through community contributions and a sizable free tier. It provides a broad range of tools and algorithms that allow users to produce one-of-a-kind, attractive, and distinctive works of art. If you want to produce traditional paintings or contemporary artwork, Night Cafe AI will surely offer a design and color scheme that will fit your taste. Speaking of taste, if you like what we're cooking up here, make sure to like and subscribe to Performance AI to always get the most out of your tech. Another free AI art tool is the popular Art Breeder. Through the tool's use of machine learning, you can create various iterations of an image. On the single platform, you can make landscapes, anime figures, portraits, and many other types of artwork. It also has the capacity to alter facial traits, including skin tone, hair color, and eyes. Additionally, animated characters can be generated from pictures. Art Breeder can combine several images from your collection to create a single image that is fresh, original, and entirely authentic. The fact that Art Breeder offers tens of thousands of drawings and lets you organize them into folders is another standout feature. After that, the final results can be downloaded in JPEG or PNG format. With a secure location to keep them, you can obtain hundreds of unique and colorful art drawings in your Art Breeder account. Deep Dream Generator, our next AI tool on the list, is the ideal choice for you if you're seeking an AI image generator that produces images based on actual events. It was developed to offer everyone simple and open picture generation. Therefore, even if you lack experience, you can quickly turn your words into a visual. The focus of this AI picture generator is making the images appear to be from another era or location. Using this tool, you can add thousands of different art styles to a single image. Deep Dream Generator uses a credit system similar to DALL-E 2. Depending on the photo size, each generation costs anywhere from 3 to 5 credits. As far as credits go, you'll get 15 credits at the time of registration, and following that, you'll get 3 free credits per hour. And not to worry, there are several other ways to increase your credits. Still, along the lines of free AI art tools, we have Deep AI. Deep AI was developed in 2016 to make AI accessible to anyone through open source software. It is a superb AI picture generator that seeks to make image production open source for everyone. Deep AI's picture generator produces realistic images of great quality. You can produce as many original photographs with Deep AI as you'd like. You can alter the level of detail, colors, textures, and other aspects thanks to its extensive customizability. Deep AI can immediately generate a vector drawing with any resolution when you type an illustration. It focuses on providing its customers with a wide range of options. Each image also has the option to have its colors, textures, and level of detail changed. At number 8, we've got Jasper Art. With this tool, you can easily explore a variety of artistic mediums to find the one that suits you best. Jasper Art is simple to use. All you have to do is sign up to get started producing photos. Using Jasper Art, you can produce photorealistic images, cartoon-style images, and any other form of artwork you can imagine. Simply enter some text into the tool and everything else will be handled for you. The best feature of Jasper Art is that there are no watermarks on any of the photographs you produce with it. The program is still in beta testing, meaning features are continually being improved, so enjoy at your own risk. Last, but definitely not least, we have Starry AI at number 9. And trust me, this one is a game changer. Starry AI is one of the most powerful tools out there for creating NFTs. It's a text-to-picture AI image generator that uses a machine learning algorithm to interpret images with ease. With its granular tool, you can customize your photos like never before, producing stunning works of art. And the best part? You don't need any technical expertise to use it. Starry AI makes it super easy for users by breaking digital art generation into 2 phases. First, you enter your phrase and select between Altair and Orion to create a picture. Orion produces photos with a narrative, while Altair gives you abstract images. Once you've picked a phase, you select a backdrop and style for your photo, and voila! Your artwork is complete. But here's the real kicker. With Starry AI, you get complete ownership of the photos it produces. That means that you can use them however you see fit and even make money off of them by producing free NFT artwork. It's no wonder that this tool is gaining popularity in the art world. Even though AI art technology is constantly evolving, Starry AI continues to create some incredible works of art that will leave you in awe. And there you have it, folks. 9 free AI art tools that you can try instead of paying for Midjourney. Which tool do you think is best for you? See you in the next video. Bye-bye.